think Ecap's going fantastic. I think it's great to see everybody come back and talk and converse. The energy level here is amazing, and every night it's just networking.
I can say I have made deals happen here, and I've created leads that I look forward to following up with, and this has been the best experience I've ever had at a conference.
The food is absolutely AA+. Amazing accommodations, great venue, great speeches, great panels. It's just been an amazing experience.
As an operator throughout the pandemic, it's nice to also talk with other operators about what they're going through, but it's also nice to meet with a lot of the vendors, like the telehealth individuals that we've brought into the facility over the past year but haven't been able to meet with face to face.
It gets better and better as the years come on.
Ecap, deals happen here.